Hi, my name is Joel, and today we're going to learn about how to win material using a pin. The first thing I notice in this puzzle is that my queen pins the rook. I notice that this rook simply cannot move, right? What if what if I push what if I push my pawn ahead? What happens? The queen obviously cannot take the queen obviously cannot take my pawn because it's currently defended, right? So what if I push my pawn to h5? This rook cannot move. I simply win material by taking on g6. Alright, that's g6. I my pawn defends is attacking the rook. So what if my queen actually takes it, right? Because I also happen to notice that this knight will move and then attack my queen. So what if I sacrifice my queen to win this rook? And obviously, this queen is again going to attack my queen, right? It's going to attack me on g6, but I'll still be up a rook and thereby up material, right? Let me just show it to you. Let me just show you an example of what I'm talking about. When I move my pawn to h5, this rook simply cannot move. This queen simply cannot attack my pawn. The only move which is left is attacking my queen. I see that if I sacrifice my queen, which is on f5, by going to g6, the king is attacked. The queen does not have a choice but to take, right? Because if they don't take my queen, say they move away, for example, I'll still be taking the queen, right? And why will I take the queen? It's because I want to simplify the game. Now that I'm up material, I would love to simplify the game because that means I'll be winning. I'll be winning simply because there's a very low chance that I can get checkmated. With the queens off the board, there's a very low likelihood that you'll get checkmated, especially if you're up material. So, let's just see what moves are played, right? And in this trade, I'll just be losing a pawn. A pawn for a rook is winning for all in almost any situation. So yeah, so that's how you convert a pin into winning material. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.